Hello guys, good day and welcome to Archinox American Jojo. Today, I'm very excited to feature to you the part 2 of our finishes here in Congressional Town Center. And today, we will feature the interior finishes of all the units. We have 1 bedroom, we have 2 bedroom, and we have studio type unit dito sa floor na to. So we're here in the 22nd floor and ikutin natin yung mga bawat area ng mga unit na ito. Let's see all the finishes and all the materials used here in this project. Alright guys, samahan nyo ako at ikutin natin tong project na ito. So here, ito yung area ng ating elevator lobby. So we have here 2 passenger elevator, then 1 service elevator. So hindi pa natin tapos yung mga wall finishes nitong ating elevator door. Maglalagay tayo dito ng granite casing dito sa part or area ng ating door ng ating elevator. Now on the ceiling, meron tayong na-mock up na mga pin lights dito sa area na to. But soon to be completed yung ating ceiling through our paint finishes. But moving around here, unahin natin itong ating 2-bedroom unit. So ito yung opening ng ating door for the 2-bedroom unit. You see here all around meron tayong casing ng ating door. So you see this wood grain na MDF na ating casing ng ating door. And ito yung ating panel door. So wood grain din siya. Yan, ito yung profile niya from bottom then to the top. So meron siyang peep hole. So kita yung hole niya, yung peep hole. So para makita nyo, pag nasa loob kayo, makikita nyo yung tao dun sa labas kung sino yung kumakatok o bisita nyo. Now dito sa ating door, you see this lever type na lock set natin on this door. Okay. So ito yung profile ng main door ng unit. Yan. So typical yan dun sa 1 bedroom and studio type na unit natin. So pasok tayo dito sa loob. Then going to the entrance, you have here the matte finish floor tiles of 60 by 60 in size na flooring natin. So here, ito yung ating kitchen area. So we use here synthetic stone. Ito, magandang quality ng stone siya. Dahil kung meron kayong mga mabuhos dito na toyo, hindi mag-stain dito sa surface ng ating countertop. Now here, itong surface naman na to is made of tiles, 30 by 60 na tiles. So you can easily wipe it out kung may mga dumi dito sa surface na ito. And this is our hand cabinet for this kitchen. Is made up of MDF. Itong cabinet na to. So malinis din siya. Yan, you have the handle, and inside that is the finish of the cabinet. Yan. Then here, nakapaglagay na rin tayo ng basin. This is the stainless basin. Then you have here also the poset of the basin. Now under the basin, you have here the grease trap. Now over here, ito naman yung area na kung saan ilalagay mo dito yung iyong range hood. So nandito yung sa baba na to, sa counter na to, nandito yung ating induction cooker. Now here, ito naman yung slot ng ating microwave oven. So you have here the power outlet for the microwave oven. So ito ngayon yung area or finish area ng ating kitchen. Then itong slot na to, dito ngayon yung ating refrigerator. Diyan yung area niya. Now over here, ito yung kitchen. Now ito yung ating living area. Now on this 2-bedroom, you have here at the back a small balcony over here. So dito sa likod, yan, overlooking yung areas dito sa lugar na to. So itong nasa baba na yung structure na yun, yan yung Cherry Foodarama, then road na yun yung Congressional. So you also have here our balcony railing. So dito wala pa tayong glass na nailalagay. It's all made of stainless. Then the covering here will be made of tempered glass, clear glass. So dito, then dito sa area naman ito, yan, cabinet tayo. Then here, you can put your washing machine. Dito, meron tayong tray yan sa area na yan. Now over here, ito yung ating bedroom 1. So dito, ito yung slot for the aircon. Then you have here the closet or yung cabinet. Now over here, also another bedroom, bedroom 2. You have here also the slot for the aircon. Then you have here the cabinet. Then you also have here a small balcony na naka-angle naman siya. Pagaya nung sa kabila. So there. So malawak yung area na makikita mo. Because on the side of the living area, there's also a balcony. Now on this bedroom, there's also a balcony. Now moving on, ito yung area ng ating toilet. So you have here the basin, nakakabit na siya. Then dito sa wall na to, maglalagay tayo dyan ng mirror. So hindi pa siya naka-install. Now this is the finishes of our tiles or flooring. So matte tiles din siya. Now this is the door. So you have here the frosted glass on the middle. Yan ang combination niya. So you have the wood and the tempered glass. Now on this shower area, you have here the clear tempered glass. Hindi pa natin nakakabit yung ating handles, no? But ito yung area ng ating shower area. So you have here the installed shower fixtures. So ito yung 2-bedroom unit. Now moving on to the studio area. This is the studio type na unit natin. So you have here the kitchen area pagpasok mo. Then you have the countertop, the basin, then the hanging cabinet, then also the area for the washing machine. Then this one is the area. So nandito yung aming panel board yun sa taas. Now this is the area for the refrigerator. And you have the separate area for the water closet and the shower area. So ito yung basin dito. Nasa labas siya. Then you have a mirror. Then you have a separate area for the shower area. So ito yung finishes niya. And so kakabit na yung ating shower fixtures. Then dito lalagyan na natin yung handles natin dito. Di pa siya naka-install. Now on the other side also, this is the water closet. So itong open ito, palabas. Wala lang yung handle, di natin mabuksan, no? Palabas siya. So you have also the exhaust fan. Then you have here the mirror dito sa labas. Then dito, you can place your small bed. Then sofa here. Then you have here the cabinet. And the area for the aircon. So ito pwede mo pang i-utilize as shelvings dito or small cabinet. So this is the area ng ating studio type unit. Now moving on to the 1-bedroom. So ito naman yung ating 1-bedroom unit. So same thing. So meron din dito na malaking area ng ating basin with the large mirror. So separate din ang ating shower area dito. Then also yung ating water closet dito sa part na to. So you have here the frosted glass para hindi makita of course yung tao dun sa loob ng shower area or dun sa water closet area. So you have here the kitchen area. Then this area is the part of the living area. So combine na siya, living and kitchen area. Then you have here the 1-bedroom. So ito yung bedroom niya. So meron din tayong nakalagay na closet. So ito slide siya, no? Yan, sliding. So you can place your clothing here, your wardrobes, and some stuffs here in this cabinet. So yan siya. So meron din slot, no, para dun sa window type, aircon. But here, yung door niya is sliding door. Yan, so ilalak mo lang siya, then you will slide it. Andun yung door top niya sa ibabaw. Right there. So ito yung ating one bedroom unit. Now, moving on dito sa hallway na to. So it's almost I already introduced to you the one bedroom, the two bedroom, and the studio type. So ito yung pa yung mga other finishes ng ating studio type unit. So ito na. So di pa tayo tapos lahat makapag-install ng ating mga mirrors, but definitely sa coming days may install na natin yung lahat ng ating mga fixtures and also yung mga accessories natin sa toilet. Now ito naman yung other part ng ating one bedroom. So ito yung ating finish na kitchen cabinets or kitchen area. Then you have here the living area. Then you have on the outside, meron lang scaffolding, no? Then from the outside, meron din tayong balcony. Itong one bedroom unit na to. Then here, ito yung living area. Now you can put here your TV dito sa wall na to. So andyan na kompleto na yung mga outlets, and also you can just fix on your TV here in the wall. Now ito yung bedroom dito sa one bedroom unit. Here, meron din siyang balcony. Yan, may scaffolding so hindi tayo makalabas. Now dito, meron din tayong cabinet dito sa one bedroom na to. But ang kagandahan dito sa sa unit na to, itong one bedroom na to, you have access of the toilet from the outside dito. You can open it. So ito yung door natin. Now, on the other side, ito naman sa ating bedroom, pag nasa loob ka ng bedroom, you may access as well using this sliding door. So whenever you use this toilet, so you have to, of course, you have to close or lock this door, then you close this one. Or either you will close this one or you will open this one when you use this toilet. So these are the installed toilet fixtures, the water closet, the lavatory, and also the accessories or the accessories for the shower area. So you have here a clear tempered glass na door. So ito fixed to, no? Fixed glass to, no? From the flooring up to the ceiling. So nag-terminate siya doon sa kisame. So naglagay tayo ng channel doon sa itaas ng kisame to hold this glass, and also here on the bottom meron din tayong channel dyan. Then this one is the door. So di pa natin nakabit yung ating stainless na handrail. So we have here the handrail para to open and close this door. Tingnan natin mamaya kung meron tayong sample ng handrail dun sa other unit. So this is the one bedroom unit, its accessories and all the finishes of this unit area. Alright guys, so ito yung finishes ng ating one bedroom. Then this one, the studio type unit. Then over here is our hallway. Then you have here the studio. So from the hallway, so you can see here, may naka-install na kami ng mga sprinkler heads and all the pin lights here. Then meron na rin tayong, itong area na to is yung ating pipe chase. Diyan naka-concealed yung mga tubo natin. So in case of maintenance, we can open this access door. Now over here, ito yung design ng aming hallway. Yan. Then dito, sineparate namin yung area ng hallway against dito sa unit. So we have here the threshold tiles. Yan, to separate the tiles from the hallway and tiles from the unit. So when you close the door, so yan makikita nyo. Yan. So ito kompleto na yung accessories natin. Meron na tayong lock set. Then meron na rin tayong intercom here. Then let's wait for another series of weeks to complete this project. So ito yung ating hallway. Moving on, ito yung ating firehouse cabinet. So here, ito na yung ating unang pinuntahan kanina, yung ating 2-bedroom unit. Alright guys, so ito yung update natin for the interior finishes ng ating 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and studio type unit. So nakita natin dito yung mga finishes ng ating mga walls, ceilings, main door, kitchen cabinets, toilets, tiles, and flooring natin, everything. So dito, na-update ko kayo dun sa mga finishes natin for this month of April 2024. And I hope magkaroon pa tayo ng part 3 dito sa update natin on this project, the Congressional Town Center project. And hoping marami pa tayong makita sa mga susunod na mga update. So makikita nyo dito yung actual turnover finishes ng ating project. With complete stainless handles ng ating mga pintuan para dun sa shower area, para dun sa water closet, and complete na rin yung ating mga mirrors dun sa tapat ng ating lavatory. And hoping for that, at update ko kayo dito. At hindi ko makakalimutan yan na magkaroon tayo ng part 3 on this project, which is our handover or turnover ng project na ito. Alright guys, so sa mga susunod na videos, please do like, subscribe, and follow me para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Again, I'm Architect Jojo Colpeo, joyfully sharing with you what Archie knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.